Them ravens was over there eating. And fucking people walked by disturbing them. Ravens over there getting their little feet up on. I don't know why I like watching them birds eat. Seems so peaceful. You don't see birds around the city like you used to. When I feed the little birds come quick. For some reason, them ravens, they take their time. I guess they think somebody want to eat them. I wonder when people first start finding food to eat, I wonder what made them not put ravens on the menu. I always wonder that kind of stuff. What made them decide what animals to eat and what animals not to eat? How they knew the difference between a cow and a horse, which one was going to taste better, which one was going to provide more sustenance. I don't know. Shit, you eat a pig, you should eat any kind of bird. All of them ain't nothing but scavengers anyway. Birds and fish, they ain't nothing but scavengers. I don't think it's a bird out there that ain't a scavenger. I don't think it's a fish out there that ain't a scavenger. Oh well. Another day in Baltimore City.